Welcome back, guys. Today I want to quickly talk about the lids I use on my grain jars. I've had a few viewers ask how I make them recently, so I thought I'd make a super quick video for you. These lids are central to my own mushroom cultivation as they allow for the introduction of live mycelial culture into a jar of sterilised grains, all while maintaining a closed system, which is essential for keeping contamination at bay. Alright, with that said, let's make some lids. To make our modified lid, we'll need a few materials. Firstly, we're going to need a plastic lid made from PTFE, or polytetrafluoroethane. This type of plastic can handle the rigours of sterilisation cycles and won't melt or warp inside your pressure cooker. We'll also need a rubber gasket. This will help to form an airtight seal between the lid and the jar, which is crucial for keeping unwanted organisms outside of your sterile grains. We'll also need a silicone injection port, which allows for the sterile needle to enter the jar and introduces culture into your sterile grains. And as well as this, we'll need some micropore tape. This tape will function as a filter and allows for fresh air exchange inside the jar while also keeping contamination out. And lastly, we need a drill and a drill bit to make some holes. Okay, so we now have everything we need. Let's make the lid. It's really simple. We just drill a couple of holes into the lid, one for the injection port and another for the filter. The hole for the injection port should be slightly smaller than the actual injection port itself. This will allow for a tight friction fit, which keeps contamination out, but also allows for their replacement as needed. Also, we want to make sure to remove any plastic burrs left over from drilling the holes. Now to fit the injection port. It'll take a little bit of effort to get it fitted inside the small hole, but as mentioned before, this creates a great seal and allows for its replacement as needed. I like to use these big tweezers I have here to force the injection port through the hole, and just to make sure it's sitting nicely and flat on top of the lid. Alright, once we've done that, we just simply fit the gasket inside the lid. As I mentioned earlier, this gasket will create a total seal between the jar and the lid. On the other hole, we simply cover both sides with micropore tape. On the top side, I like to use a double layer of the tape and then a single layer underneath the jar. This creates a tiny little air gap between the two layers of tape, which I found useful. It stops, if the filters do get wet, it'll stop any nasties getting wicked in. And there you have it, a lid perfectly suited for home mushroom cultivation, ready for the pressure cooker and a liquid culture syringe. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope these lids work really well for you and help you to grow rich and luxurious mycelium. Like and subscribe for more mushroom content, and I'll see you all in a new video very soon. Legends.